Hello there today. Let's fight geese scratches in our shoulder area. In this video we take a look at this seat belt pad for cars. These soft seat belt cushions are designed to improve the comfort for both kids and adults during the daily driving and long road trips. The package here comes with two seat belt pads that's made from a soft microfiber leather material. They help us to reduce the pressure and the friction around the neck and shoulder area caused by the seatbelt. And you can see the installation is really easy. We simple wrap the pads around the seatbelt and choose the hook and loop fastener. Then we close it. And then no tools are required. It's suitable for many vehicle types, including cars, SUVs, trucks, campers, and RVs. The sporty red design also adds a stylish look to my vehicle interior, as you can see. And you can get it to another car easily. So, if you change the car, get your pads with you. The sporty red design is really nice. Soft and comfortable, easy to install. Neck and shoulder protection, suited for children and adults, and great for long distance driving. This all makes it possible to wear such a nice seat belt patches over our seat belt. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Turn on.